In this video, we'll look at how to create pivot charts in Microsoft Excel. One thing you should know is that without a pivot table, there's no pivot charts. So let's check out how to create pivot charts in Microsoft Excel.
All right, welcome back. We'll start by creating a pivot chart, but one thing you should know is that for you to create a pivot chart, there has to be a pivot table. So there's no pivot chart without pivot table. Since we already have our pivot table here, so we are good to go. We are good to create a pivot chart. So to create a pivot chart, I can either select anywhere on my pivot table that I want to visualize in a chart, or highlight the whole pivot table. Then in my pivot table analyze tab, click here. Inside the tools group, you can see we have two commands here, the pivot chart and the recommended pivot tables. So I want to create a new pivot chart, so I'll just click on pivot chart. So you see, you can see the insert chart dialog box here. So you see different charts here. So let's say I want to represent this data with column charts. I'll just click on column, then I'll hit OK. You can see this here. So if I want to insert, let's say I want to insert a bar chart using for the second pivot table, highlight everything or select anywhere inside, then come to pivot table analyze. In my pivot chart, I would say, okay, I want a bar chart. So I select bar chart, okay. So we have this. Okay, so what if I don't want this bar chart? I want to change it. Just come to format. Okay, the format is where you can format your charts. Format your chart. You want to change the shape view or shape outline, or you want to do the format. That's where you. So if you want to change this chart that we don't want to call bar chart anymore, you want to change another type of chart. So come here in your design tab, and you can see we have change chart type. You come here to change chart type, and you can change it to any one that you want to change it to. Is it you want to change it to pie chart, no, or donut chart? So we have different options you can use. So you can always come here to select any type of chart you want to work with, as long as you know what kind of data you want to visualize. Also, you can also find this chart here in your insert tab. You can select anywhere on your pivot table, go to your insert tab, then here in your charts group you see different options. You can click on recommended charts to recommend charts for you, or you'd go back there and select the chart that you want if you know what you want to use. So you can select what you want to use. So can you see? So two places you can get your charts, in your insert tab and your pivot chart analyze tab. These are the two places you can get your chart from. So I won't go deep into or try to show how to format or insert data in your chart, because I already made a video on some basic charts in Excel and how to format them. So that is that on creating pivot charts with your pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Alright, don't forget to practice as usual. Do well to like and share this video to those that you know needs to watch this. See you in our next video. Thank you and bye.